In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe After Effects slow playback. Open After Effects and load the project you're working on so you can follow along in real time. First, take a look at the composition panel. If your preview resolution is set to full, switch it to half or even quarter. This immediately lowers the number of pixels After Effects has to calculate during previews, which can make playback feel dramatically snappier. You can always return it to full when you need to check details or before final delivery. Next, click the lightning bolt icon in the viewer to open Fast Preview and choose Fast Draft. Fast Draft is designed to skip heavy effects during live previews like motion blur or depth of field, which are great for final renders but can choke real-time playback. You'll still see your motion and timing, just without the costly bells and whistles until you're ready. Head over to the preview panel and set skip to 1 or 2. This tells After Effects to preview every other frame or every third frame, reducing how much needs to be cached for smoother motion as you work. It's a trade-off: fewer frames, but a steadier sense of timing while editing. Focus your caching on exactly what you need. Use the B key to set the beginning and the N key to set the end of the work area, and preview only that section. Shorter ranges cache faster, which means quicker feedback on the parts you're actively adjusting. If things still feel bogged down, go to Edit Purge, then All Memory and Disk Cache. This clears RAM previews and the disk cache, which can grow large or get cluttered over time. A quick purge often restores responsiveness. Now optimize where your cache lives. Go to Preferences, Media and Disk Cache, and point the disk cache folder to your fastest internal SSD. After Effects reads and writes cache constantly. Keeping it on a speedy drive makes a real difference. While you're in Preferences, open Memory and Performance and ensure Enable Multi-Frame Rendering is checked. This allows After Effects to use multiple CPU cores to render frames in parallel for previews and renders. In that same memory section, lower RAM reserved for other applications, so After Effects can use more memory. Just keep in mind, other programs may slow down while you're in AE. Finally, go to File, Project Settings, and set the renderer to Mercury GPU acceleration. This taps your graphics card for certain effects and previews, reducing the load on your CPU. Apply these tweaks, and your previews should feel much smoother, letting you focus on the creative work.